Hi guys, guess where I'm standing? I'm on a sun deck in an RV. My name is Ted. Come on in, let me show you around. Starting with the bedroom up these stairs, we have a great sized bedroom here. King size bed with plenty of storage underneath. Has gas shocks as well, so they'll stay up even if you let it go. Easy up and easy down. Moving on to the closets, we have dual closets here, each with clothes holders on each side. On this side, we have room for a washer, dryer, or combined unit. And a laundry hamper for your convenience. Plenty of more clothes hanging storage on this side here, and the switch off and on for the genset. This handy cabinet with drawers also has a flip-up storage for any valuables, watches, jewelry that you may have. And another nice feature here, you may notice there's no screen. Well, you can raise the screen up, keep the bugs out, or at nighttime, they combine and you have your blackout blinds. These are available on all the windows in this unit. Moving down to the washroom, we have a good sized bathroom here. In the shower, you have plenty of space with 4 different nozzles for your enjoyment. I'm 6 feet tall, so this is plenty of space for standing up and showering. You also have a bench for your comfort. Moving on to the sink area, we have plenty of space. We have a 3-shelf storage cabinet over here. And one really cool feature, in this drawer here, we have metal containers that'll hold your hair dryer or curling iron, so you don't have to put them away warm. On this side here, we have a linen closet and a nice space for a wastebasket as well. Follow me down to the kitchen. Oh, I almost forgot. On the way to the kitchen, you have a great space to hang your jackets, your keys, and any little notes on the corkboard here. And a really great feature, shoe racks. Built-in shoe racks, so you have to keep your shoes out of the way for you. Another wonderful thing in this unit here is you've got a built-in vacuum system. So the hose comes with, you just plug it in and you're ready to clean. And for those quick times when you're just sweeping up, you can just lift the foot access and blow the dust away. In the kitchen, we have plenty of storage space. We have this built-in pantry, and the doors slide so they don't get in the way of your kitchen space. On this side here, we have movable shelves. We have a great counter here with an inverted plug-in. Perfect place for your coffee maker, frothers, and anything you want to keep out of the way. On this side as well, we do have some more movable shelves. And up top, a great place to keep all of your adult beverages away from anybody who shouldn't be having them. Moving on to your residential 12-volt fridge, we have touch controls on the front that'll show you the temperature of the fridge and the freezer, and a lock button. Inside, we have plenty of storage and a dual freezer. We also have an air fryer microwave oven. Plenty of space in there for anything you need. 3-burner propane cooktop, as well as an oven. Plenty of counter space to do all your cooking prep, as well as a large sink. Have a couple of removable trays here for your drying. We have a cup washer here to rinse those dishes out. And we have your built-in soap dispenser and your on-off switches here. Going back to the sun deck, here we have a sliding door and plenty of space for 2 chairs and a table. And when the deck folds up and you're ready to go, you have this glass that you can actually see through so you don't block your view if you're still inside. Moving over to the living room, we have a wonderful table area here. This you could use as a bar, eating area, or even a desk if you have to do some work. We have a pop-up TV over here, a beautiful 50-inch, as well as this wonderful lazy boy sofa. Perfect place to sit down and just enjoy TV and have a relaxing beverage. And this lazy boy sofa also folds into a bed. Let me show you how. We'll just take off these cushions here. Lift. Get the legs down here. And lower the end piece. Now you have a large queen-size bed for those unexpected guests. And there you go. You're ready for a movie night and enjoying the whole unit. Come on with me. Let's take a look at the outside. Outside, the sun deck has darkened privacy glass. And you're covered with an awning. So if you don't have a space to sit outside, you're still covered by an 8-foot awning. And included, we have the additional slide toppers. Moving over to outside storage, here you'll see the basement of the RV. With a pass-through storage, plenty of room. Let's take a look at the outside of the trailer. Follow me. On the exterior, most trailers have sliding windows. Now, if it rains, you can get water inside. The wonderful thing about these frameless tinted windows is they pop out, so you can have them open and have fresh air even in the rain. Around the back, you have a convenient ladder to get to the roof to do your maintenance repairs. As well, we have a trailer hitch. Now this would be perfect for your bike rack. Put your bikes on as you go down the road. Underneath as well, we have self-leveling jacks, which are super convenient. Thank you so much for visiting. My name is Ted. Please come and see us at Fraserway RV. Thank you.